morning and welcome to my Plan With Me video. Finally going to be July 1st this week and I'm so excited to move in and start planning in my daily duo. So as you can see, I kind of started playing around a little bit with some kits available in my Etsy shop. Everything will be listed below. So the kit I'm using this week is the 30-40 and let me show you. So Sheet A has some thin washies, some to-dos, some planner, meal planning stickers, some planner words, and some boxes. A2's larger washies. This here is for the box here, different options and some flags and another planner box. D is some deco, some more planner boxes, and then Sheet C here has the date strips, water tracking, some more deco, a weekend banner, etc. So I kind of started a little bit on placing all these items down. I was excited. I'm going to keep this calendar for now. I think I'll highlight it. We'll see how it goes. I know a lot of people don't like it. I'm okay with it. So here's the weekend, how I set up the weekend. I'm not thrilled with the weekend. I'll probably switch that up. Here's the following week where I used these larger date stickers that are also in my Etsy shop. I kind of liked it over here in the corner some. So I'm going to play around. I'm probably not going to, find the best layout for me for a few weeks. But this is 3043 and it also coordinates with the sticker kit that I'm using for this week. I definitely like this weekend better on the second week. But again, I'm going to be playing around and see how it goes. In front, so I know this is for this week. Okay, so let's go back to this week here for Wednesday. I wanted to also show you, since we don't have a weekly view, I'm going to use this Luxe Weekly Scheduled Pad from EC. It's a nice sturdy cardboard on the front and back, so it stands up nicely like so. So let me just show you. I kind of started a little bit on pre-planning here. On the bottom, I have 3 teenagers that are working, so I like to write down what their schedule is. Also helps me meal plan if, I know the kids are going to be working during dinner or whatever. So I kind of like that. And see how I have it stood up over here on the side. So when I'm planning, I'm going to move this real quick. So when I'm planning, it's really easy to see. I also use my iPad as well to help plan, but I think that's going to help with not seeing the whole weekly view. But we'll see. This is all new and I'm super excited. So we're going to go ahead and get started here. One thing I wanted to do this month is try to do a word a day. And have a definition. So I have these awesome inspirational words, single words. I printed these on transparent paper. And I just thought maybe it'd be nice to kind of have a word for encouragement. Okay, so that stuck there. I have to remember that transparent stickers are super sticky. So wherever you're going to stick it, it better be where you want it. So I guess for this week, I'm going to try it up here in the right corner, but I'm not sure if I'm going to love it there, especially next week. I have some of those dates in this area. So for today, for this week, I guess I'll have it here. And then I think on the weekends, I'll probably just do one word since the weekends are in one page together. I'm just, like I said, I'm not sure how I'm going to do this here yet, but I think maybe I'll just do one word for the weekend. I think grateful is good because it's 4th of July or Independence Day, and to remember we're independent and free, so I'm grateful for that. And let's see, what one do I want to do for Friday? We will do trust. All right, so we'll see how this goes as well. I'm sure, like I said, it'll be a while before I get my groove and figure out how I want to do this. Now this is holiday sticker sheet. These I used for my hourly. I'm thinking that perhaps these are going to be too small. Let me see how this is going to look. I think I'm going to need bigger ones for the daily so that it's, just think, yeah, I don't know. I think it's too small. Let me show you on my monthly spread. I like the size of this, I think. So these ones here work nicely for the monthly spread stickers. These are great for, like I said, hourly, vertical maybe. But when you're doing with a daily, I'm thinking I need to go bigger. So here's the 2 spread sheets for the daily. You can see this is where that one is, that's on my monthly. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Good thing these are removable stickers. So I'm gonna go ahead and place these back down, and then I'm gonna have to get out and print some more larger stickers. So we won't have that to show at this moment since I have it on my monthly spread, but you'll get the idea. So I think I definitely will like the larger holiday and icon sheet for the daily, since again, like I said, you have a lot more room for planning. So I think it looks better with bigger, larger words and deco. Okay, now let's see. I want to start using these routine check boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and set these down. And from here, I'm going to speed up the video a little bit since we kind of already did a little bit of the walk through. I'll just speed it up some and then we'll go from there. So give me a second. Okay, so I'm having problems today putting down these stickers. Good thing I'm telling you that I'm using removal. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and write down some things that I know that is coming or that I have going on this week. So far, still not a whole lot to plan, but I am looking forward to the to-do section for sure. Not a lot, like I said, as far as time-wise planning. I'm going to move this down. I'm trying to go walking every morning, and on this day I do need to walk a little bit earlier because I have the house cleaner coming. So all right, write down a couple to-dos for Wednesday that I know that I need to do. But as far as timed schedules until COVID is over or a little bit back to normal, not a whole lot of appointments and such that need to be. I definitely need to go to the post office about 4 to drop off my orders, and then we're going to try to go to dinner, I think, my husband and I, some kind of COVID dinner on Thursday. And then next is weather. So I don't know if I should put it at the top. Or for now, I guess I'm going to put it in this bottom right corner. I think I'd rather put it up on the top left, but because I put those transparent stickers that cannot come up, I'm going to leave it down here for now. Because I like to use some of the larger washi on the very top, it leaves out putting it up there as well. All right, and I think I'll put it to the side over here. So this will work for this week. Again, I'll probably be switching that up. We'll go from there. All right, a couple more of these routines on the rest of the... Geez, what is wrong with me getting these stickers down to this morning? Okay, so I'm just going to finish these up. It sure has been fun moving in the last month. I've been slowly just kind of playing around and watching videos and figuring out how I want to do my sticker sheets. So it's been super fun. Can't wait till Wednesday and then the next few weeks as I come up with different ways to plan and what works for me. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, everything's linked below. Please like, subscribe, and as always, have a great week.